All right, product of a fraction and a whole number. These problems are great. So the way we can look at these is as follows. 3 over 8 times 24. Now, 24 is not just 24, it's really 24 over 1, as every whole number is. Okay, so there's a couple different ways we can do this. We can just multiply across the top and the bottom like we did before. Like I showed you, you can always do that with fraction multiplication. You can also do something called cross simplify. Cross simplification is really great. It's like you can divide anything on the top and bottom by the same number, if possible, and you can kind of reduce them. So like I could look at this 8 and this 24. It doesn't matter they're not in the same fraction. Just the fact that the 24 is on top and the 8's on bottom, it's all being multiplied. I can divide this number and this number by 8, for example. This is called reduction, so I can reduce that. 24 divided by 8 is 3. 8 divided by 8 is 1. So now I have a much easier numbers to work with. Now I can multiply across. 3 times 3 is 9, 1 times 1 is 1, and I get 9 over 1, which is just